Hello everyone, welcome to Maths with Mr. Chow. Today we are going to learn area of a circle. We will learn the formula, solve some examples, and practice finding the area of circles. Let's begin. Before we learn the formula, let's understand what area means. The area is the space inside a circle. In this picture, the circle on the left only shows the outline. The shaded circle on the right shows the area because it fills the space inside the circle. Now, let's learn how to calculate the area of a circle. Before we calculate the area of a circle, let's quickly review the radius and the diameter. The diameter goes across the center of the circle. The radius goes from the center to the edge of the circle. Remember, the diameter is always 2 times the radius. This is important because the area formula uses the radius, not the diameter. Now let's look at the formula for the area of a circle. The formula is A equals pi times radius squared. We will use pi approximately equals 3.14. If you know the radius, simply use the formula. Area equals pi times radius squared. In the next example, I'll show you how to use this formula step by step. Let's try an example. The radius is 5 centimeters. First, write the formula. Area equals pi times radius squared. Next, substitute the radius. Area equals pi times 5 squared. Using pi equals 3.14, we get area equals 3.14 times 5 squared. Since 5 squared equals 25, we have area equals 3.14 times 25. Finally, the area is approximately 78.5 square centimeters. Now it's your turn. Pause the video and try to find the area of this circle by yourself. The radius is 4 centimeters. Use the formula. Area equals pi times radius squared. When you're ready, press play to check your answer. The answer is approximately 50.2 square centimeters. Let's look at another example. This time, the question gives us the diameter, which is 10 centimeters. Remember, the area formula uses the radius, not the diameter. So first, divide the diameter by 2. 10 divided by 2 equals 5, so the radius is 5 centimeters. Now substitute the radius into the formula. Area equals pi times 5 squared. The area is approximately 78.5 square centimeters. Let's review what we've learned today. Area is the space inside a circle. Remember, the radius equals the diameter divided by 2. The formula for the area of a circle is area equals pi times radius squared. Always remember to write square units in your answer. For example, square centimeters, square meters, or square kilometers. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next lesson.